My name is James Vanderpant and I'm the founder of Polygon. We are a design-focused company based here in the beautiful New York City. We believe in products that are beautiful, creative and functional. We put a huge amount of emphasis on our creative process here, and we try and take inspiration from as many different sources as possible, from as many different industries as we can. I think good design is becoming more and more important as time goes on. As markets saturate, it becomes harder and harder to stand out from the noise. And good design and thoughtful products can be a huge competitive advantage. We know how valuable a good design process can be, and we thoroughly enjoy creating new products here. We've selected production partners who share the same degree of passion for quality as we do. This allows us to operate as a vertically integrated organization, guaranteeing the highest quality for all of our products. The best part of creating these products is actually getting to see the customer interaction. We're fascinated by products that give the end user the ability to be creative and build something that's completely unique to them. We hope to continue to innovate and produce new products and also improving on our existing range, but we're really excited to see what the future can bring.